toy fans, this time we will be bringing you one of the dolls from the Disney Frozen range of toys. This doll is Colour Magic Anna. The colours and patterns on her dress will magically appear when you use the magic tool included. And here she is. Anna is looking spectacular and very, very beautiful in her fantastic dress.
Wow!
She does come with a pink sparkly tiara.
Woo!
And her hair looks amazing with the braided pigtails.
Woo!
She does come with a necklace and a very beautiful patterned dress.
Wow!
She also has pink shoes. We do get the magic tool which will make her dress transform. There is a lid on top that you can take off, and then what you have to do is put water inside. If you have one of these that do come with an iron, these are probably one of the best things to use. Just tip your water inside and then put the stopper back on the top. Now all we have to do is use the magic tool on the front of the dress and the pattern should appear. And there you go. That is what it looks like when you have applied the magic tool. Thanks for joining me and Anna for this toy review, and we will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.